Brigif swimming pool. The swimming pool presents extraordinary natural scenery in the form of hill and mountain with cool air and can be an alternative to fill your weekend vacation. The Brigif swimming pool only operated at the end of last year, and to be precise, it was opened to the public in December 2018. Its location is at the foot of the Klotok Hill, which offers a charming view of the natural scenery typical of Kediri. One of the swimming pools is quite popular in Kediri. And is suitable as a place for recreation with the baby. Swimming activities are indeed very popular with children in general. For that, Brigif swimming pool can be the best choice to fill a holiday with family on the weekend. The area is quite spacious by providing two choices of pools. For the adult pool, it has a fairly large size when compared to the children pool. The pool water is so clear because it's come directly from the Chesty Mountains around the pool.